My name is Luigi Pulice, and I am the founder of the Ecosmart brand. Constant pressure technology is a proprietary concept that was developed by Ecosmart to continuously monitor the pressure in the duct system. As zones open and close, a signal is automatically sent to the fan motor to speed up or slow down in order to maintain a constant airflow to the open zones of the system. Warm air naturally rises and collects to the highest point in the living space. With an Ecosmart zoning system, we can segregate different parts of the living space and maintain unique temperature settings in each of the zones. This allows us to condition only the areas that require conditioning. Constant pressure technology plays a large role in achieving this because the fan speed is automatically adjusted and energy consumption is reduced while supplying the correct amount of air to the zones being conditioned. Constant pressure technology is something I mentioned earlier. It took 2 years of research and development to adapt a medical-grade pressure sensor to our Ecosmart product in order to increase both comfort and efficiency. Our LVP units can simultaneously adjust fan and pump speeds based on outdoor temperature using our full modulation software. Ecosmart products only supply conditioned air where it's required. This reduces energy consumption by not overheating or cooling the occupied spaces. Our technology allows us to run our fully variable speed motors at fractional speeds, depending on the system requirements, thus reducing the overall stress on the equipment. The full modulation software saves energy by matching the heat output of the system to the heat loss of the dwelling, further enhancing energy savings.